security from the brutal system. Thank you. Only uBusisiwe party is capable of fighting and winning this battle that lies ahead. The recently unanimously adopted constitution of uBusisiwe party confers certain political responsibilities on the hands of the leadership collective of the party, in particular the president. The party has recently finalized the audit of its political personnel following the deployment of most of its leaders to various provincial legislatures as well as the National Assembly. Accountability by those deployed by the party in various positions, the national officials met to discuss the available vacancies obtaining in various provinces.